Welcome to the Jio Set Top Box installation video. You can install the Jio Set Top Box in 3 simple steps as follows. Step 1. Unbox the Jio Set Top Box pack. Step 2. Connect the Jio Set Top Box with your TV. Step 3. Configure the Jio Set Top Box. We will now take you through each step one by one. Let's start with the first step, that is, unboxing your Jio Set Top Box pack. In your Jio Set Top Box pack, you will get a 4K set-top box, 1 power adapter, 1 HDMI cable, 1 Ethernet cable and 1 Jio Remote. And by the way, you can connect your Jio STB even without the Ethernet cable. But for now, you can safely keep away the Ethernet cable and the outer pack of the Jio STB for future use. Moving on, the second step involves connecting your Jio Set Top Box with your TV. To do this, take the HDMI cable and insert one end into the TV and the other end into the HDMI cable slot of your Jio Set Top Box. Now, connect the power adapter into the power adapter slot of your Jio Set Top Box. Finally, connect the power adapter to the nearest power source. After connecting both the devices, it's now time to switch on both your set-top box and the TV. Great! Wasn't that easy? The third and the final step involves configuring your Jio Set Top Box. To do so, select the correct HDMI port on your TV using the TV remote. Now to pair the Jio Remote with your Jio Set Top Box, first, insert 2 AAA batteries in the remote. After that, long press any key for 10 seconds. And press OK to continue. That's it! Your Jio Remote is now paired. Now to configure the display settings, select HDMI resolution from the drop-down menu. After that, select Auto Resolution and press Continue. You are almost through with the installation process. All you need to do is select your JioFiber Wi-Fi network, preferably 5 GHz, and enter your Wi-Fi password. Now your set-top box is connected to the internet. Finally, to finish the setup, scroll down to read and accept the terms and conditions. Congratulations! The installation is now complete. You are now all set to enjoy the world of entertainment with JioFiber. For any support, visit www.jio.com/fiber.